and welcome to my 10x commission stack review. Now, if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell and give my video a thumbs up and say hello in the comments, because that helps me to help you. Right, get 10 apps that will bring you traffic, leads and sales, or traffic, sales and leads in whichever order you want, for less than the price of one. All right, now this is not BS, fake, scam, hypey rubbish. This is genuine, and it really is 10 for the price of one, and I think you are going to absolutely love it. But wait till you see my bonuses, because they are off the scale, totally off the scale. Now, as an affiliate, I've pulled in over $265,000 in affiliate commissions in just one of my Warrior Plus accounts alone, as you can see here. And as a vendor, I've generated over $600,000 in just one of my Warrior Plus accounts as well. I've also made over $50,000 in my Kartra account. Now, I don't tell you this to show off. I tell you this to give you some confidence that I know a little bit about this game, okay? And to tell you that I couldn't have achieved these results without traffic, sales and leads, which is why this is very, very relevant, because traffic leads to sales and leads lead to sales, if that makes sense. So remember when I said get 10 apps that will bring you traffic, sales and leads for the less than the price of one? Well, it will also save you money as well, because you're going to get a review site creator, you're going to get a bonus page creator, you're going to get a page builder, you're going to get a funnel creator, you're going to get a product creator, landing page builder, automated webinar app, cloud hosting for all the apps. So it's going to save you a lot of money. This really is a lovely, lovely deal. And this is what it can do for you. It can get you free viral traffic, monetized websites, recurring commissions, automated profit funnels, affiliate commissions, buyer traffic, high ticket sales, and I've got a special high ticket thing in here as well for you, e-commerce sites, automated list building, passive income, affiliate review sites, video marketing profits. It's pretty much everything that you need in the business to make money online. And you can get all 10 of these apps for less than the price of a couple of pizzas, which is pretty amazing. Now, pizzas go for this kind of price across the United States, right? So it's way less than the price of a couple. It's actually more like just over the price of one pizza that you're going to get all 10 for. All right, so that's pretty good. That's something to be excited about. I would say so. And it's saving you a real world figure of well over $200. But that's not all, right? As you know, I do love to spoil you. So I've been negotiating with the vendor, and I've secured an insanely valuable bonus bundle for you that is absolutely out of this world. And you would be crazy to turn this one down. All right, now when you buy the 10x commission stack, that's the 10 apps, that's 10 products for the less than the price of one, you're going to receive New Year Profit Bot, which is Glenn Kosky's latest product. All right, you're going to get that free. But you know that I love to spoil you, so you're not just going to get the front end. You're going to get the OTO 1, the OTO 2, the OTO 3, the OTO 4, the OTO 5, and the OTO 6, which is a real world value of $614.95 that you're going to get only if you buy through me. All right, this is an exclusive bonus only through me. Okay, so make sure that if you want to shop around for other bonuses, obviously, take a look and see what's out there. But you're gonna struggle to find something that is this good to get a brand new product front end and all the OTOs. This is just unbelievable. But as if that wasn't enough, I'm also going to give you big ticket commissions. Now, I talked about high ticket. I love high ticket because you can make, $500, $800, $1,000 in one go with one sale when you're talking about big ticket commissions, which is why I love this product as well. But again, you're not just going to get the front end of big ticket. You're not going to get just the main product of big ticket. You're going to get the OTO 1 big ticket, the OTO 2 big ticket, the OTO 3 big ticket, the OTO 4 big ticket, the OTO 5 big ticket, and the OTO 6 big ticket. There's another $613.97 for real. I mean, can you just get your head around this? Like what I've done for you here. I can't even believe it myself. I want to buy it through me just to get this. It is unbelievable. All right, so it's really, really exciting stuff. It's a real world, no fluff bonus bundle worth $1,228.92. But obviously, These are strictly limited, so please make sure you grab 10x Commission Stack ASAP through my link to ensure you don't miss out. And you're also going to get everything you see on the screen here, all of these bonuses as well. So, you know, at this point, you might just say, oh, do you know what, Trevor, I'm just going to go and get it. And you're welcome to do that. But let me tell you a little bit more about this. You're going to get in 10x Commissions 10 apps. The first app is Commission Pages. Now, Commission Pages is an app that comes loaded with 15 done for you top converting affiliate pages. All right. You just paste in your link, your affiliate link, and you're good to go. Now, I love these. This alone would be great, but you're going to get that, and not just that, because you're going to get passive profit funnels as well. Passive profit funnels, easy for you to say, Trev, is an app that's been helping beginners to make $250 a day with plug and play instant daily commissions. One-click funnels for instant buyer traffic, generate at least $250 per day, 0 monthly fees or overhead costs, free traffic included inside the app, and list building on profits. App number 3 is the 1K Daily System. This is a powerful app that turns laser-targeted buyer traffic into 4-figure commissions with extremely low competition and top converting high-ticket offers. All right, so automated big-ticket commissions. Again, something that I love. App number 4 is the 10x Profit Sites. And this is how you exploit top converting products with lower competition and your profit potential becomes unlimited. 100% done for you affiliate review sites. You keep 100% of the commissions and 100% free traffic built into the system with 0 hosting, tech skills or experience required. Okay. App number 5, and don't forget you get 10 of these for the less than the price of 2 pizzas and just over the price of 1 pizza plus all of those bonuses I told you about. App number 5 is the Done For You Profit Funnels. This is an amazing software that includes done for you products, automated funnels and list building inside one dashboard. You're also going to get app number 6, which is Auto Profit Sites. This is a new app that makes stunning affiliate review sites with all the bells and whistles, 100% done for you affiliate review sites, plug and play, multiple income streams, keep 100% of the commissions, 100% free traffic. All right, you see how good this is. App number 7, Vid Commissions. All right, the revolutionary Vid Commissions apps makes you a fully monetized traffic grabbing site from other people's videos. So you don't even need to make your own videos. You're going to get that as well. You're going to get app number 8, which is Profit Sniper X. And this app comes loaded with 15 done for you top converting affiliate campaigns. Again, just put your link in, you're good to go. I love these because you don't have to even do the reviews. It's all done for you. You literally just get people on the page, they buy, you get the money. App number 9, Profit Product Creator. This is a new app that makes digital products and lead magnets for multiple income streams. Now, you know I love creation, right, and building products. So this is great. This is done for you lead generation and delivery pages built in for an all-inclusive solution. 100% newbie friendly. Create digital products in under 60 seconds. I remember reviewing this and it is amazing. And app number 10, Traffic Multiplier. So Instant Traffic Multiplier members will receive step-by-step video training that covers traffic, lead generation and ongoing profits. 3-in-1 traffic system, hassle-free affiliate system, multiply your profits in any niche, 0 experience required. So, that's the 10 apps, right? Now, the pricing on the front end and the OTOs. The front end's kicking off at $17. It's an early bird and the price will be going up, so the sooner you get in, the better. The OTO one is the unlimited version. That's $67. The OTO 2 is the done for you version. That's $97. The OTO 3 is the unlimited traffic, which is $97. The OTO 4 is their 30k per month program. That's $67. The OTO 5 is the super affiliate. That's $67. And the OTO 6 is the license rights. $197. Okay, so let's go and take a quick look inside the members area now for you. So here we are inside the members area. We've got the dashboard. We've got a welcome video here. And we've got tutorials. We'll just load that up. So here are the tutorials. You can see there's plenty of tutorials there. Then you've got the 10x stack and you literally go in here and you just select which one you want. So you can see the 10 products there. And then when you go through, that's going to give you the access. I'm not going to show you because I don't want to reveal anything, but that gives you the access page to go in and create your account and get full access to all these products. So there you have it. It's an absolutely insane deal with an absolutely insane bonus bundle from me. You know, you buy 10x commission stacks through me and you get New Year Profit Bot and 6 OTOs, as well as big ticket commissions and 6 OTOs. It's the biggest, craziest no-brainer I've ever delivered as a bonus. All right. But as I said, it is strictly limited. So please make sure you pick this up through my link ASAP. So go ahead now and click on the link or button below to buy now through my link and get access to all of this incredible value. As always, if you've got any questions, please let me know. If you're watching on YouTube, please like this video. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and say hello in the comments below. And if I've emailed out to you and you've got any questions, just reply to the email. I'm here to help you. But I seriously strongly recommend you get this, because let's face it, it's crazy. 10 products for the price of one, or less than the price of one, plus my front end and OTOs times 2. It is a complete no-brainer. Okay, that's it from me. I'm Trevor Carr. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. All the best.